Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the poultry girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I took you to the different location to open a KnitCrate box. I need scissors. Well anyway, I thought it'd be more interesting. My postman arrived today and I'm recording it today, the same day, and I'm hoping to have it published the same day. So what is the KnitCrate? KnitCrate is a monthly subscription. They have 2 boxes and one is KnitCrate membership, the other one is the one that I'm going to open now, which is a KnitCrate membership. Although they come up with something really cool, and maybe on the screen over here I'm going to show you. So I'll let me do this thing. So now if you go down below and there is a link, affiliate link, and that directs you to the website, but that way they will know you're coming in from me. I've heard already that people wanted to use KIL20, which is this a code and gives you 20% off for your first box, and they couldn't do it, so I'm not sure what's that about. So if you have any difficulties, maybe contact KnitCrate because they'll help you better than I with their website. Hopefully the safe bit is to go through the link. And thank you so much for supporting me that way too. I hope you're going to have fun opening the boxings like I have. Okay, let's do the right way. I'm going to now look for the last unboxing video. Okie dokie. And underneath it, there is a link. Hopefully
Hello everyone, it's Julia.
I'll be able to click on it. So you have KnitCrate, you have either KnitCrate membership or you have sock membership. So let's go to the KnitCrate membership, get KnitCrate, and they say to choose your vibe now, which means you can pick one of 3 options. We have Energize Me, so you could see what kind of colors you can get. All Natural, oh I really like that one. And then you have Chill Out, so you have blues, as you could see, greens and turquoise colors. And then you have Anything Goes, so you can get a mixture. So actually in one KnitCrate you can pick your color theme, I would say. And the same thing is when you go to the KnitCrate membership. So that's quite cool. I'm not sure how they qualified me. Do they put me all goes, or can I actually pick the one that I want to? If KnitCrate is watching, all naturals for me at this stage. Of course you can always change that thing. Let's see what I get eventually. Ooh. So here are the dots. Let's open it. Let's open it together. Yeah, it looks delicious. Right, so I got blues. Oh, I see this. 2. They look like worsted, and they are worsted. So this is Knitology, and we have worsted merino kestrel. I hope I'm saying that right. 100% supported merino wool, worsted, 218 yards, which is 199 meters. So here it is, and it looks like this. Obviously I'm going to show you in a sec. Do they have anything else? So here it is. It's not so crazy, I would say. There is a bit over here, just that bit. The rest, it's more tonal. I'm very interested how it knits up. Well, that's not all. They sent some goodie. I think they're stickers. 2 stickers over here. And here we have a magazine. And I think I have this yarn. So what do we have? Take the Wing. So yeah. So the name of this, kestrel, is the bird's name. Ooh, they're even showing it. So here it is. We have 3 birds. Which one is your favorite? Oh, I'm just curious how that knits. Who got this? And who got this? I think those 2 are my favorites. Blue's quite cool too. Do you see this rust? Oh. And then for sock yarn, you have these beauties. Oh, check it out. Which one is your favorite? Oh, I think it's green for me. Although I'm not a green fan, but it looks really good over here. And then how it knits up. Ooh, 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 ooh. So we have crochet pattern, knit pattern, and knit pattern. So I'm going to show you all. So my yarn knits up something like this. And that's crochet. This is another one. Oh, I like the design actually with it. Then we have a knit pattern, and then we have this shawl. Oh, it's so look lovely naturals for me. And obviously then you have all the patterns written down and what to do and all the directions and stuff. And so check this out. This is the shawl. Here is the back of it. I'm designing the shawl. There's the bubbles too. Then we have leg warmers. I love the shoes, although I'm tall, 5'10", no heels for me. Here, socks, crochet, close by for my knitters. Check this out. Check the stitch definition. There's still stitch and crochet stitch. And we have a sock pattern. This is beautiful, don't you think? Ooh. And what can we expect in September? I'm definitely going to check the links down below, because I also include the link to the KnitCrate Ravelry group and the hashtag KnitCrate, and you could see all the projects being done with the yarn, so you can get inspired. Some people knit patterns, some people just use other patterns, and you could see how the yarn knits up itself. The box cost $24.99. I think you saw that on the screen. So for 2 skeins, 4 patterns, that's a bargain. So it's a really good price, and that's why I'm opening boxes, and I'm so happy that KnitCrate sends boxes my way. The sock yarn costs $19.99. You're getting 1 skein though, and you're getting the same booklet, so you get those 4 patterns and the 1 skein for $19.99. Just telling you, even though I'm not opening that, you can definitely have a go, and definitely use the affiliate link if you want to, with the code KL20. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one, and let me know which color did you get and what are you going to knit with it. Bye. Oh, and I also have a playlist down below. What did I knit with KnitCrate yarn so far? I hope you enjoyed watching that. I put the playlist somewhere over here at the end. Bye.